Hello everyone, welcome to Product Hacks. This is Rizwan Malik. Today is an exciting one because we are diving into the world of audio with the Digitake DWM 101 microphone. If you are in the market for an affordable yet high quality product or microphone, you are in the right place. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for more tech reviews and tutorial. Alright, let's get started. Let's kick things off with the unboxing experience. The Digitake DWM 101 arrives in a well-designed and sturdy box. As we opening it up, we get a good carrying case, and after we opening this case, you get a microphone itself, a user manual, and a few additional accessories. The first thing that caught my eye is the sleek and compact design of the microphone. It feels well built and durable, which is always a good sign for a piece of audio gear. Now we are going to talk about its specification and feature, so stick to that video.
This microphone boasts a cardioid polar pattern, capturing sound from the front while minimizing background noise. With a frequency response and a sensitivity, it's positioned as an ideal choice for content creators, podcasters.
Let's dive into details. We are about to explore the audio quality of the Digitake DWM 101 through some tests. I'll be setting up the microphone on my mobile using C to C cable. Keep in mind there are different cables available, so choose that one cable that suits your device. The setup involves three devices, one receiver and two transmitter. So I am taking a receiver and a C to C cable for my mobile. So we are going to put a side to the receiver and the other side to my mobile because it have a C port. So I inserted it, and after the inserted it, we have to power on the receiver. So here it is. So long press the power button. So you can see it start blinking. It says that is not connected. So I'll take a transmitter. So this is a mic. So we have to turn on the using power button and see. Here it is. It's connected. So it's a successful connection, it says. So I'm going to uh, record one audio for using this microphone. So I'm going to open voice recorder app, and it says external mic will be used. As you can hear, the microphone gives a clear and crisp sound. So we are going to my terrace and record in a more challenging way. So let's meet to the other video. Bye. So I'm at my terrace right now and shooting the help of 101 microphone, and I'm going to make a little interview sorts in a sorts way. So I'm with my one of my brother Mubarak, and I'm going to ask some few questions about this microphone because he's using this. So how are you, brother?
I'm fine.
Okay. So can you tell me which kind of blogging you doing?
Blogging.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For food blogging or content food
Food
blogging, right?
blogging, travel.
Okay, so he is a food blogger and doing his very good job, and I watch him very goodly. So आप मुझे ये बताएं कि आप कितनी दिनों से ये यूज कर रहे हैं?
हम इसको 6 मंथ्स यूज कर रहे हैं। काफ़ी अच्छा डिजिटेक का 101 माइक है और ये वीडियो ऑडियो बनाने में काफ़ी यानी बहुत ही अच्छा
जी
है।
तो मतलब इससे कोई आपको नॉइस वगैरह में दिक्कत तो नहीं
नो
होती है?
नो प्रॉब्लम।
एवरीथिंग गोइंग गुड। ओके, सो ये था हमारा 101 माइक्रोफोन, और ये रिकॉर्ड वीडियो जो हुई है 101 माइक्रोफोन से। नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट सेटिंग अप द Digitake DWM 101. This microphone is compatible with a range of devices, including camera, smartphones, and computers. I'll guide you through the setup process, whether you are using it for your YouTube videos, live streams, or even on a Zoom call. Additionally, I'll share some tips for your troubleshooting common issues that user might be encouraged to your videos. As we wrap up this review, let me share my final thoughts on the Digitech DWM-101 microphone. Overall, I'm impressed with its build quality, key features, and most importantly, its audio performances. It's a versatile microphone that caters to content creator on a budget without any reliable microphone. The Digitech DWM-101 is definitely worth considering. What are your thoughts on this microphone? Have you tried it or are you considering getting one? Let me know in the comment below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. So I'm going to make another video of DWM-102. So stay on the stick to the video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.